Welcome to Walk and Roll. The Cambridge Coyotes are about to take an important step towards climate change, healthy living, and community building. Congratulations on joining the movement.
Over the next week, you'll receive a key tag with a barcode on the back that goes on your backpack. You can now start participating in Walk and Roll Fridays.
When you get to school by bike, scooter, walking, or carpool on Fridays, check in at one of the 2 Walk and Roll stations.
Volunteers will greet you and check you in every Friday morning that you get to school in an active way or by carpool.
Carpool is a super option for folks who need to drive to school. Carpool is when you drive to school with someone who does not live with you. This saves a car trip to school and helps traffic as well as our air quality.
Add to that, it's super fun to carpool to school with friends. Your key tag will record your miles, trips, and how much pollution you've saved.
Every 4th trip you take in an active way or by carpool on Fridays earns a collectible trip charm to put on your key tag.
Also, if you come to school in an active way or by carpool on one of the special Fridays or when it's raining, you get a special charm on the spot. Our very first special charm will be
Friday, February 13th. Everyone who participates in Walk and Roll on the Friday before Valentine's Day will receive a Valentine's Day charm.
And don't forget, if you participate on a rainy Friday, you get a weather charm on the spot.
If you can bike, scoot, walk, or carpool from home, join the fun.
If you can't join right now, no worries. Just drive slow, keep an eye out for our walkers and rollers, and give them a smile or a wave for helping cut down the traffic around our school. A few important reminders when walking and rolling to school. First, always walk your wheels on campus. When you are at school, all wheels need to be walked to the bike racks.
Second, always wear a helmet when biking and scooting. It's not only smart, it's also the law for everyone under 18 years old. And that's you. Lastly, your parent can register your key tag with your distance and how you get to school at walkandrolltoschool.org. Use the QR code on our new Walk and Roll banner or go to Walk and Roll to School to register. Let's get to school in an active and environmentally friendly way, rain or shine, by walking, rolling, or by carpooling.
The Coyotes are traveling together for a sustainable future. See you Friday, February 6th, and every Friday after that, rain or shine.
Walk and Roll is funded by the Contra Costa Transportation Authority and the Bay Area Air District, and brought to you by Street Smarts Contra Costa. Together, we are making a difference in our community.